All right, guys, so before I rip this decking off, I just have a question for the guys that would have overlaid this roof. There's a few companies out there that would have ripped up the old stuff, right? But not all the way off the foam. And they would have put new decking on top of it and just glued it to that. I mean, it's literally just gluing to a piece of tissue paper. Why even bother at that point? And for the rhino lining guys or the armor coat guys, unless you take the Phylon off, you would have never got to this wood, this Luan underneath, and this would have been completely delaminating underneath. I don't understand how or why you would, how you would do it. I don't know how you would do it other than to take this paneling off and start from scratch again. But if you're going to do that, why not just put the Phylon back on? So I guess that's kind of my rant. But I mean, you can see how wavy even the bottom layer is right here. I mean, look at that. It's all wavy. And I mean, look at all this. This comes off in sheets and it's wet. It's just still damp. I could probably squeeze some water out of it. But if you rip it up to this point, it stops right about there, so you'd have to sand this all down to be flush with this layer. But I mean, this layer is only, look how thin that layer is. Why would you even glue anything to this? I don't understand any of this. Can somebody please explain it to me? Is that better? Can somebody explain it to me? All right, let's rip this off.